How do I call a function from another Py file? File.py contains a function named function. How do I import it? The above gives an error. Import error, no module named file.py. File is not a package.
First, import function from file.py. Later, call the function using. Note that file is one of Python's core modules, so I suggest you change the file name of file.py to something else. Note that if you're trying to import functions from a .py to a file called b.py, you will need to make sure that a .py and b.py are in the same directory.
Do not write .py when importing. Let file_a.py contain some functions inside it. To import these functions into file_z.py, do this.
If your file is in the different package structure and you want to call it from a different package, then you can call it in that fashion. Let's say you have following package structure in your Python project. In com.my.func.deferent function Python file you have some function, like and you want to call different functions from example3.py, then following way you can do it. Define import statement in example3.py, file for import all function. Or define each function name which you want to import. Then in example3.py you can call function for execute. Output.
Method 1. Import the specific functions you want from file.py. Method 2. Import the entire file. Then, to call any function inside file.py, use
Hypnotic Puzzle3.